Hi guys, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and welcome to another demonstration today using some of our brand new products. We are going to be creating this lovely card today, and that's using our lovely Sticker Stencil bottles. These are tiny little bottles, as you can see. We've also created these gorgeous new stickers. These are our herb stickers that go onto the bottle, which is just something a little bit different, which we're all really excited about here. So I'm going to pop those to the side and get started. So I am using the positive bottle as opposed to the negative, which I would normally do, but it gives us a really lovely effect, as you can see from this card here. So give that a good press, remembering these are repositionable if it's not quite straight or in the right place. But once it's down, we're going to work our way around the edge. I'm going to use henna. This is from our Elements inks, and I'm using a medium-sized brush, and I'm just going to work my way around the edge. Now once I've done this colour, I'm going to go around parts of it using a much darker colour. So I can actually use the VersaFine Claire de Nocturne because that's a real matte black. So let's just, with a very small stencil brush now, because we don't want to lose that other colour. We only want to touch the edge of this. This just gives it a more of a three-dimensional feel. And I'm going to pop a little bit of shadowing down at the bottom here. And that all helps to make it look a little bit more sort of three-dimensional. Okay, remember now to take that off. And you can see you've got that beautiful shape. So first of all, we're going to pop the cork in. It fits all the new bottles, the sticker set 10 and 11. So we're going to add a little bit of colour to this one. So I am going with a smaller stencil brush, and I'm going with Mermaid, so add a little bit of colour. So I'm not doing the swirls from the top, I'm flattening that brush and doing it, and you just get a little bit more of a blend. A little bit more even. Okay. Now you can use whatever pen you like, or pencil even. This is just to sort of gauge where the liquid is going in the vase. Just gives me an idea where I'm colouring in. It's a little bit skew-off, but we can change that slightly. Bring that one a little bit higher, that one a little bit lower. Okay, so I'm going to carry on with my liquid. So the white still shows through, so we can make that straight once we get that really white Posca pen on over the top, but this white that we've got down now is just a guide. Okay, so I am going back to the henna now. And I'm just going to add a little bit of colour to the top of the bottle. I'm not going right up to the edge. I want to keep that line around the edge there as clear as I can. So it's all about making that illusion that it's round. So now at this point I'm going to grab one of our stickers. Which one I'm going to use? I'll use the Dill. This is the larger one. And we're going to pop that down. Let's go up to there. I think that's pretty straight. I'm going to go back to the black now, and I'm going to go around the very edge of that sticker, just to make it look like it's part of it, you know. So we said we've got Dill in there, so I'm grabbing one of my stamps, which is our Dill stamp. I'm going to ink up, and I'm just going to pop a little of that around. Such a lovely stamp this, it's very detailed. And then probably go back to the mermaid on this. Bring in a little bit of blue. Just around the edge. I forget how nice this paper is actually to blend on and to stamp on. It stamps so well because it's a non-fibrous paper, so your stamped images come out really well. So I'm going to grab my white Posca now, and I'm going to first of all do the rim on the bottle, and then I'm going to go along the very edge. Now you can use a Posca, or you, as I say, you can use any white pen really. I think I quite like the Posca because it's a really nice solid white. I'm going to pop a little bit of the acrylic paint on that as well, just a little bit. And go down this side as well. And you can see how it pulls that bottle out, doesn't it? Just by adding that little bit of white, and we'll add some black as well. Now we've got that white line still there as the water line. I'm going to just pop that in. And also this black gel pen, this is a glaze Sakura pen, and it's jet black, and it's actually really, really lovely to pick out detail again. So I'm going to go around the very edge, just in parts of it, you know, not all of it. It's just worth spending a little bit of time highlighting these areas, just to give that illusion. Okay, we're nearly there. So I'm going to grab some words now. Just pop these down. Just a few little words. And there we go. We have another bottle. So all I've done there, this is a different bottle. I've changed the colours slightly, but no two will never be the same anyway, will they? So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed today's demonstration. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope it's inspired you to have a go yourselves. You take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.